Hey, this is Kyle Badass from NH Strategic Marketing, and today I want to talk about the differences between a professionally done website and like a DIY website, all right? So there's a lot of platforms out there like Wix and Squarespace where you can easily get a website up and running, and it looks pretty good, honestly, and you can do it quickly, and you can do it super cheap, all right? There are downsides and there are trade-offs to this. One is what's under the hood of that website, right? I like to use the analogy of a nice shiny car. You put a nice paint job on it, you put fancy spinning rims on it, but if there's no engine under the hood of that vehicle, it's not going anywhere, right? And there's been multiple studies done by various SEO companies looking at the differences between a DIY website like built on Wix versus building on a platform like WordPress, which is a content management system that we like to build on for our client websites. And when you look at the search engine optimization benefits and how much website traffic those sites get, WordPress sites inherently get a lot more traffic, right? So you got to think, before you pull the trigger and make a decision on building your website on a DIY platform. What do you really want? Do you just want a website that kind of checks that box and says, yeah, I got a website, here's what I do, here's how it works. But you need to understand, like, getting traffic to that website, getting the right people to come to your website is a whole different scenario, right? And if you choose to go with a DIY platform like Wix, you're going to be at an inherent disadvantage than somebody that might have chosen WordPress as their platform. Okay, so that's like the starters, right? You can have a nice look and feel website with both of those platforms, but what's going to be under the hood of each website is drastically different. All right, and so, for your website to really be effective for you, it has to attract the right visitors to it, right? You've got to get traffic. You got to rank in Google. You got to rank into Google Maps. You got to figure out traffic strategies, even if you're going to use paid ads. But it doesn't matter what's on your website if no one ever sees it, right? And so getting traffic to your site should be a big consideration for you. You can absolutely use a DIY service if you want. Maybe you're just starting out your business on a shoestring budget and you don't have the money to invest for a nice professionally designed WordPress site. In that case, use something like Wix, but understand the limitations of it. And it'll get you in the game, get you business. As your business starts making some cash flow, that's when you might want to reinvest into a actually professionally designed WordPress website to take it up to the next level so you can actually start getting traffic, getting the phone ringing, bringing that business in. So some important considerations for you when deciding, are you going to go with a DIY website building service or a professionally designed WordPress site? So if you'd like to have a discussion about that, if you'd like us to look at the SEO for your site, by all means, reach out to us. Kyle Badass here at NH Strategic Marketing. Thanks for watching.